first official.
Apo, okay lang naman po.
Congratulations.
Ay po. Ready po tayo. 1, 2, 3, and...
Congratulations, Heat! We are so proud of you from Heat Waivers Official!
Thank you po.
Bakit ka na mag-atin?
Pause naman lang. Yes.
Sa hati-hati kami dyan sa dalawa.
Oh, guys mo naman.
Taylor, favorite ko yun eh.
May kailangan ka. Okay na? Check lang po, ma'am.
Tapos para ako nag-gym. Labas mo kung palaw.
Parang binibigay ito. Si Hana. Waiting in my bed. Bakit ang pangit mo ulit?
Ang cute ng Polaroid!
Ay, bro, gusto mo?
It's such an honor to be the opening of the show. I'm so happy right now. Hindi ko ma-express talaga. He's came a long way. He's my day one. I'm so proud of him. His BBB fans are there. His OG friends are there also. So guys, next thing I'm gonna sing is an original song called The Moon and the Stars. This is a song called The Moon and the Stars. I'm sure the title might seem familiar to some of you. This is my first time singing it to all of you guys, to anyone out in the open in the crowd. So, wish me luck. The moon, the stars, it don't matter where you are, I don't care if you're at or far. You're my sunlight when it rains every time you're here, I'm in the gaze, I could statue for hours, just wanting to buy you flowers. Anything you want, I'll give it to you. I just wanna be yours, I just wanna feel more, I don't wanna make it forced, I just wanna let you know I'll be forever waiting until you feel the same way too. And I know it's hard to believe, I think you're the one, you're the one, you're the one for me. I know it's hard for you to see that I want you forever and ever and ever, baby. Why can't you see? Why can't you be the one for me? This feeling is unreal, I don't even know how to feel. I just wanna hold you tight, I always think of you at night. I don't wanna wake up from the stream, I don't wanna look back, cause I'm mad what's real is all I have. And I know it's hard to believe, I think you're the one, you're the one, you're the one for me. I know it's hard for you to see that I want you forever and ever and ever, baby. Why can't you see? Why can't you be the one for me? The one for me. The one for me. Thank you! Hello, Mr. Lord Skydome! Enjoy his show! Let's go!
Yes, palakpakan natin muli, Gio Mana. At ngayon naman, Skydome, gusto niyo pa ba ng kantahan? Yes na yes, our next guest is a rising pop sensation who's sure to win your hearts. Please welcome star music artist, Sophie Permazzi.